Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars and Chaos. I'm Mr. Beefy, and if you're watching this, this is part 2 of the parking brake rebuild. It shouldn't have had to happen. We are a week and a half later on my expedited shipping of the parking brake cable. It is supposed to be here today. I guess we're going to find out, aren't we? I have no trust left in FedEx, but this is what we're doing. How's everyone doing today anyway? It's a beautiful, beautiful day here in North Dakota. We're supposed to be in the mid 40s again today. So yeah, it's pretty fantastic. Another quick walk around to Hollie here. That cable is supposed to be here today. I just checked tracking again. We will find out shortly. Also got the axle seal tool. Yeah, should be a pretty fantastic weekend of doing maintenance required things on the old Hollie here. Anyway, we'll pick this back up as soon as the part comes in. Would you look what showed up last night? Oh goodness, it's finally here. Only a week and a half for it to arrive. Look at that parking brake cable. It's a thing of beauty. It's been holding things up for an entire week and a half. But soon enough, we'll be able to swap that thing out and then get back to the e-brake build. Yep. It's about time. Then we can rebuild that caliper. Yeah. It's been pretty boring last week and a half. We're gonna get her though. We're gonna get it done. Yep. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.
Hey, you ready?
Yep.
Go ahead and put down. Right.
Down?
Yep.
Floor.
Fill it up.
Up.
Down.
Down.
Up.
Up.
Down. Up.
Up.
Down.
Oh, that went all the way down real fast.
Yep. I cracked it too early. Up.
Up.
Down.
Down. That one, I got nothing. I got nothing.
Pump it up. Up. Hold tight.
Okay.
Oh, here.
Huh?
It didn't have to be.
It isn't?
Stop pumping up.
Nope.
Wow. Well, it shouldn't have. Shouldn't have dropped down enough. Go ahead and step on that.
Down. You want me to just keep stepping on it?
Up,
Up,
down,
down,
up,
up,
down,
down,
up,
up,
down.
down.
It's coming back.
Not really.
It will.
We're still down.
Yeah, held it there.
Okay.
Okay, let it up.
Up,
Down,
down,
up,
up.
down.
There we go. Down.
Up,
Up,
down.
down.
Yeah, I just ran out before. But that means the line is clear.
Yep.
Okay, up,
Up,
down. Pump it up. See how it feels.
I mean, it's, yeah.
Is it?
Yep.
Okay, hold it there.
Okay. Now it's at the floor.
Okay. Okay, let it up.
Up.
Yeah. Close. Oh, now.
And just like that, the parking brake cable is in. The parking brake is rebuilt. And the brakes are bled. We're not going to do axle seals today. It is Valentine's Day, and I don't want to make a lady mad at me today. It'd be a bad day to do it. So we're going to end the video here. Please subscribe, like, share. Trying to, work something out of here. All right. Y'all have a wonderful day. Love you all. Take care. Catch you on the next video.